to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, Principal CV Gupta Saraswati Vidyapeeth, Mathura Road, Aligarh. Dear students, in the series of tenses, today I am taking your future indefinite tense. Let's know the Hindi words which are found at the end of sentences. Hindi words ga, ki, ge are found at the end of sentences in future indefinite tense. Now we have to know the verbs, helping verbs. In helping verbs there are two helping verbs, will and shall. Shall is used with I and we. Again, shall is used with two pronouns I and we, and will is used with all other subjects. Let it be noted. It is to be known to us. And now I am taking your examples. First of all, I will take example of will. Then I will take example of shall. And Raman will play football. Positive. Raman will not play football. Negative. Will Raman play football? Interrogative. Why will Raman play football? Interrogative. Will Raman not play football? Interrogative, negative. Why will Raman not play football? Interrogative and negative. And like this, I'll take the series of 6 sentences. First, positive. Second, negative. Third, interrogative. Fourth, interrogative. Fifth, interrogative, negative. Sixth, interrogative, negative. She'll dance beautifully. She'll not dance beautifully. Will she dance beautifully? Why will she dance beautifully? Will she not dance beautifully? Why will she not dance beautifully? And now I'm taking next verb, water. The gardener will water the plants. The gardener will not water the plants. Will the gardener water the plants? Why will the gardener water the plants? Will the gardener not water the plants? Why will the gardener not water the plants? Next. The student will speak the truth. The student will not speak the truth. Will the student speak the truth? Why will the student speak the truth? Will the student not speak the truth? Why will the student not speak the truth? Next. She'll read the Ramayana. She'll not read the Ramayana. Will she read the Ramayana? Why will she read the Ramayana? Will she not read the Ramayana? Why will she not read the Ramayana? Next. Mohan will do the work. Mohan will not do the work. Will Mohan do the work? Why will Mohan do the work? Will Mohan not do the work? Why will Mohan not do the work? Actually, these are your sentences, 6 sentences, and in which there was use of will. Now I am taking use of shall, S-H-A-L-L, shall. And first there is verb walk. I shall go for a walk. Positive. I shall not go for a walk. Negative. Shall I go for a walk? Interrogative. Why shall I go for a walk? Interrogative. Shall I not go for a walk? Interrogative, negative. Why shall I not go for a walk? Interrogative and negative. Like this, I'll take next verb, that is talk. And I'll take 6 sentences based on talk. We shall talk together. We shall not talk together. Shall we talk together? Why shall we talk together? Shall we not talk together? Why shall we not talk together? Next, complete. I shall complete the work. I shall not complete the work. Shall I complete the work? Why shall I complete the work? Shall I not complete the work? Why shall I not complete the work? Next, sing. We shall sing a song. We shall not sing a song. Shall we sing a song? Why shall we sing a song? Shall we not sing a song? Why shall we not sing a song? Next, there is plow. I shall plow the field. I shall not plow the field. Shall I plow the field? Why shall I plow the field? Shall I not plow the field? Why shall I not plow the field? Next, pluck. We shall pluck flowers. We shall not pluck flowers. Shall we pluck flowers? Why shall we pluck flowers? Shall we not pluck flowers? Why shall we not pluck flowers? Now I have taken your sentences, and these sentences were in series. First positive, then negative, then interrogative, again interrogative, then interrogative negative, again interrogative and negative. Dear students, if you pay attention and listen these sentences, then you will learn the order of sentences and order of words in these sentences. And listen the video and set in your mind. In making this video, Mr. Naveen Vasist has cooperated a lot. So I say thanks to him and thank you very much to you all. Thank you very much.